sent to us by President William Ruto to extend this state visit, the first ever of an Angolan head of state to the Republic of Kenya. The ways of our two countries came across in the far year of 1975, when the then President of Kenya, President Jomo Kenyatta, one of the great leaders of Africa at that time, convened here on the Kenyan soil the leaders of the three liberation movements of our country, with the aim of trying to unite them so that we could not reach at Independence Day divided. That was a commendable diplomatic effort made by President Jomo Kenyatta, and that effort, unfortunately, and for reasons that have nothing to do with the will of Kenya, ended up being forfeited for other reasons. Anyway, we have to thank that commendable initiative, and from that day, 1975, of that event which I've already mentioned, our destinies became much closer. Nevertheless, the level of our cooperation relations has not grown as one would expect. For all those years, we've been waiting up until we had the opportunity of signing this big number of cooperation instruments, of which we are going to do our utmost in order to implement them for the interest of the two peoples and nations. These instruments include virtually all the fields of cooperation that range from agriculture, tourism, environment, and more concretely, wildlife, a sector in which Kenya has a great mastery, and we need to learn from Kenya's experience, mainly because we also have some game parks, and we are part of the so-called Okavango Zambezi Transfrontier Conservation Area, which will be the biggest area in our country. And we need to get the experience of those who have mastery in these matters, and amongst them, without a shadow of doubt, we have to single out Kenya. But other fields such as science, ICT, are also of our common interest, not only that of Kenya, but of Angola as well. We have to single out the need